Hello, my buddies. I am Luna, and welcome to English with Luna. Today, I have a special story for you. It is called The Magical Journey of Tom and the Talking Cat. In this video, I will tell you the story slowly. You can listen, repeat, and learn new words. You can practice speaking English with me while we go on this adventure together. I hope you enjoy it. Are you ready? Let's start. Once upon a time, there was a boy named Tom. Tom was 10 years old. He had brown hair and big, curious eyes. He liked to explore. One sunny morning, Tom went to his garden. He wanted to see the flowers. He liked the red flowers, the yellow flowers, and the blue flowers. Suddenly, Tom saw something strange. A small cat was sitting under the big tree, but this was no ordinary cat. The cat looked at Tom and said, "Hello, Tom." Tom was surprised. He was very, very surprised. He said, You can talk?" "Yes," said the cat. "My name is Leo. I can talk, and I can show you a magical world." Tom was scared, but he was also curious. "A magical world? Really?" "Yes," said Leo. "Follow me." Tom took a deep breath. He walked slowly to the cat. "Okay, I will follow you," he said. Leo the cat walked to the big tree. He stopped and touched the bark with his paw. Suddenly, a door appeared. The door was small. It was blue and shiny. "This is the magic door," said Leo. "Through this door, we can go to the magical world." Tom looked at the door. He was nervous. "Is it safe?" he asked. "Yes, it is safe, but it is different," said Leo. "You will see many new things. You will meet new friends. Are you ready?" Tom nodded. He took a deep breath. "Yes, I am ready." Leo touched the door with his paw. The door opened. A bright light came out. Tom walked through the door. He held Leo close. Tom and Leo walked into a beautiful forest. The trees were very tall. The leaves were green, yellow, and red. Suddenly, one tree spoke. "Hello, Tom. Welcome to our forest." Tom jumped. "The trees, they can talk?" "Yes," said Leo. "In this world, everything can talk." "Wow," said Tom. "This is amazing." The tree smiled. "You are brave, Tom. You will learn many things here. But first, you must be kind. Always be kind." Tom nodded. "I will be kind," he said. Tom and Leo walked further. They saw a river, but the river was not ordinary. It was singing. "Hello, little boy," said the river. "I am the singing river. I sing every morning and every night." Tom listened. The water made soft, happy sounds. "It is beautiful," he said. "Yes," said Leo. "Here even the rivers sing. You will hear many songs. Songs of happiness, songs of friendship, songs of learning." Tom smiled. He wanted to listen more. Tom and Leo walked deeper into the forest. They met many animals, a rabbit, a fox, and a small bird. "Hello, Tom," said the rabbit. "Do you want to play?" "Yes," said Tom. "I like to play." The fox said, "I will show you a secret path." The bird said, "I can fly with you. You can see the world from the sky." Tom laughed. He felt happy. He was not scared anymore. He was excited. Suddenly, Leo stopped. "Tom," he said, "to go further, you must solve a little challenge." Tom looked at Leo. "What kind of challenge?" Leo smiled. "You must find 3 golden leaves in the forest. Can you do it?" Tom looked around. The leaves were shiny. He walked slowly. He looked under trees, behind rocks, and near the river. After a few minutes, Tom found the first golden leaf, then the second, then the third. "I did it," said Tom. Leo smiled. "Well done, Tom. You are brave and smart." Tom and Leo walked to a mountain. The mountain was very high. The top was covered with clouds. "Wow," said Tom. "It is beautiful, but it is very high." "Yes," said Leo, "but we can fly." Leo jumped. He flew a little. Tom held his back. Together they flew over the mountain. Tom could see the whole magical world from above. "It is amazing," said Tom. "I never saw something so beautiful." "Yes," said Leo, "this is a world of magic, but also a world of learning. You learn when you are kind, brave, and curious." The sun started to go down. The sky turned orange and pink. "It is time to go home, Tom," said Leo. Tom felt a little sad. "I don't want to leave," he said. "You can come back any time," said Leo. "And remember, magic is everywhere, in every kind word, in every smile, in every adventure." Tom smiled. He hugged Leo. "Thank you," he said. "I will never forget this day." Leo purred. "Goodbye, Tom. See you soon." Tom walked back through the magic door. He was in his garden again. The cat disappeared, but Tom knew the magic was real. Tom ran to his room. He wanted to write about his adventure. He wanted to draw the singing river, the talking trees, and his animal friends. He smiled. He knew that learning is an adventure too. Every day you can find magic in new words, new friends, and new stories. Tom whispered, "I will be brave, kind, and curious every day." And from that day, Tom started to see the magic in his world. Wow, that was the story of the magical journey of Tom and the talking cat. I hope you enjoyed it, my buddies. Remember, practicing English with stories is fun and helps you learn new words and sentences. We will have more stories, maybe even longer adventures next time, so you can practice even more. If you liked this story, don't forget to give a like, subscribe to English with Luna, and hit the bell so you don't miss our next videos. Thank you for listening and practicing with me today. See you soon, and keep speaking English. Bye-bye.